Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pinki. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the bow. Let's start with a small circle. Then from the top corners, let's draw a curve out and back in. And another one underneath on both sides. Now underneath, let's draw the shape of the head. Let's start by drawing a circular curve down and back up. Next, we're going to hop on top and draw the ears. Let's start on top of the bow and let's draw a curve up and then bring it down, and the same on the right side. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move inside and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 circles for the eyes. And then inside, let's draw a curve across near the top. And then a large curve underneath. And color both of the pupils in black. Lastly, for each eye, let's draw a small curve out on the outside for the eyelashes. Next, we're going to hop on top and let's draw a curve on top of each eye for the eyebrows. And then a curve near the bottom for the mouth. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and add the body. Let's start with 2 angles down and out. And a line across at the bottom. And that's it for Pinki. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!